Alright, this is going to be a special one-take video showing what you can accomplish with Kilmat 50 square feet. So if you're about to buy a package and need to know how much you need for an FJ Cruiser or any other vehicle, this will give you somewhat of an idea. So I'm going for sound deadening and a little bit of insulation value, and I used every bit of the 50 square feet. I did not skip even a tiny bit. If I had a tiny bit extra, I would use it in places where I need to cover a little seam or something that I missed. And so I did do a little bit here next to the stock sound deadening, and like a little bit in there on the wheel well. Yeah, some over here. But other than that, it's mostly just here on the inside, and it goes all the way from the back all the way forward up onto the firewall. Let's go around. So 50 square feet, this is what you get. There's a little strip there I didn't cover, and got most of everything here. I didn't feel I need to do that. That's just a second piece that's welded on top. Up the firewall, there may be a few places there I need to hit. I do need to get behind this HVAC unit with the heater core and the AC. All on this side and up behind the gas pedal and everything. Got a little bit more to do. So 50 square feet didn't really cover everything I wanted to do. I wanted to get these sides on both sides here, and then maybe a little bit more on the firewall. Little spots that I missed. There's one in the corner, and that little part there, and then here, I can show it over there, but if I open this door so I can point over here, I wanted to get it on top of the wheel well. I have it on the inner part here. I want to get it down in here as well to do good sound deadening. Maybe a little bit on this panel, anywhere where there's kind of open panels that tend to vibrate. And I'll probably order a whole 50 square foot box because the roof, it's a big area, almost as big as what I did below, and it makes such an echo that I notice when I close the doors. And I know there is a piece of foam, kind of like memory foam, that goes up against behind the headliner, and the headliner touches and spots, but the headliner mostly goes along like that and leaves an empty space. And so if I can get the sound deadening on the roof, and hopefully even better for insulation from heat and a nice quiet ride, especially if there's any wind noise with the roof rack and such. So that's what you get for 50 square feet, no matter what kind of sound deadening you buy, what brand. The Kilmat was the cheapest per square foot in the thickness that I got, and it works really well. I used a special roller that had these little grooves in it. Once I got up here, I really wanted to stick well and not peel off the front. Over here I did not use it. I used like a laminate roller rubber, and you can see these rectangles are not squeezed down as much as they are here. But I don't think it really matters, and this stuff isn't going to move around anyways, or have a tendency to fall off because it's just laying flat. So I do recommend to buy that $8 on Amazon roller with the grooves in it, and I can put a link in the video, and I'll put a link for the Kilmat and some of the other sound deadeners. So let me know if you have any questions, and I won't be able to tell you how well it works because I never drove this FJ without the sound deadener because the engine was busted when I bought it. But I cleaned this entire thing out. There was mouse poop everywhere, even up in the headliner, and just gross dirt and mud everywhere. It was almost like a flood car. But I've gotten the smell out, killed any mold or anything that was in there. And my last thing to really clean out is this unit here. If you look inside here, that's dirt and grime, air is blowing right past it out into the cabin. So I want to clean all that out. I've already cleaned the rest of the vents that are attached to it. And yeah, if I have a nice quiet FJ when I get this thing running, get the new engine in, I'll be happy. And it's Florida, so important to keep some of the heat out. So hopefully that'll help too. And we'll see. Alright, thanks for listening.